Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to add hashtags to your videos in YouTube Studio. From the content page, click on the video you want to edit to open its details page. Scroll down to the description box and click inside it, then type your hashtags. For this example, I'm adding #travel, #adventure, and #vlog at the end of the existing description. As you type each hashtag, YouTube may show you related suggestions which you can ignore or use as needed. Then click the blue Save button at the top right to apply your changes. A Changes Saved notification appears confirming your hashtags have been added to the video. You can add up to 15 hashtags per video, but YouTube only displays the first 3 above your video title, so put your most important ones first. Hashtags work anywhere in your description, though most creators place them at the very end to keep the main text clean. If you use more than 15 hashtags, YouTube may ignore all of them or remove your video from hashtag search results, so keep your list focused and relevant to your content. Testing a few variations of hashtags across similar videos can help you see which ones drive more views in your analytics. And that's how to add hashtags in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.